Hello friends, we will discuss here the vital role of lawyer in car accidents with injuries, protecting your rights and ensuring fair compensation. Car accidents are a common occurrence on roads worldwide, often resulting in property damage and personal injuries. When an accident involves injuries, the aftermath can be particularly traumatic or victims leading to physical pain, emotional distress, and financial burdens. In such cases, hiring a skilled and experienced lawyer becomes crucial to navigate the complex legal process and secure fair compensation for the injured party. This article delves into essential role of lawyer in car accidents with injuries and benefits they bring to accident victims. Some point mention is here understanding the legal complexity. Car accident cases involving injuries can be legally intricate, demanding a comprehensive understanding of personal injuries law, insurance policy, and negligence principles. A lawyer specialized in personal injury law possesses the expertise to interpret and apply these complex legal concepts to your case, ensuring the best possible outcome. Next point is gathering evidence and building a strong case. A key responsibility of lawyer in a car accident with injuries is to gather evidence that support your claim. This involves obtaining police reports, medical reports, witness statements, photographs, and other critical documentation. By building a robust case on your behalf, the lawyer enhances your chances of receiving fair compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Next point is determining liability. Establishing liability is often a challenging aspect of car accident cases. An experienced lawyer will investigate the accident thoroughly to determine who was at fault. In cases where multiple parties share liability, the lawyer will work diligently to ensure each responsible party is held accountable for their actions. Next point is dealing with insurance companies. Insurance companies are notorious for attempting to settle claims for the lowest possible amount. When dealing with them directly, accident victims may be forced into accepting inadequate compensation that fails to address their long-term needs. A lawyer acts as a strong advocate for the injured party, negotiating with insurance companies to secure a fair settlement that adequately covers all damages. Next point is here focusing on your recovery. Car accident injuries often require significant medical attention and rehabilitation. Engaging a lawyer in to handle the legal complexities of your cases allow you to focus on your recovery without the added stress of dealing with legal matters. Next point is avoiding costly mistakes. Attempting to handle a car accident claim without legal representation can lead to costly mistakes. A lawyer ensures all necessary paperwork is filled correctly and within the required deadlines, preventing potential legal pitfalls that could jeopardize your case. Conclusion. In the aftermath of a car accident with injuries, hiring a lawyer is not only beneficial but also essential to protect your rights and secure fair compensation. With their in-depth knowledge of personal injury law, experience in negotiation and litigation, and a commitment to serving their clients' best interest, a lawyer can be a powerful ally during these challenging times. If you or someone you know has been involved in a car accident with injuries, don't hesitate to seek legal counsel to ensure your rights are upheld and justice is served.